The vlog. And what is that? What is that? I don't know. It's a fake snake, huh? Okay, boy. Get it. Get it, boy. Get it. Get it. Get it. Huh? Get it, boy. Get it. Come on. Hey, get it. Get it, boy. Get it. Get it. Don't get caught. Hold on. Get it, boy. Get it. Get it, boy. Oh, there's a hen there. Yes. That's my buddy Elvis. And this is a little fatty right there. Come on. Get it, boy. Get it. Get it, boy. Come on. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Come on. He got it. In case I lock him up. See, I don't have my glasses on. Okay, boy. Get it. Get it, boy. Get it. He probably doesn't feel like it. So, guys, I hope you enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, just leave a comment. What do you guys think about my video? I know it's a 2-minute video. Some are like 15. Oh, here comes the critter. And here's Elvis. Ding, ding, ding. Come on. Get him. It's a fake snake. Fine, I do. You big idiot. Move. He dropped it. He's gonna get it. He's eating it. He got this. It's running like crazy. And he went in. He's gonna tear it up. But I'm gonna get it. Oh no. He's on. He's in it. Well, guys, I know it's a 3-minute video, so see you someday. Bye.